Yeah. Look at this. I got cute eyelashes with the snow. Yeah, it's freaking 29 degrees out here, and I am shoveling again, second time today. It's not even gonna stop for at least another hour and a half, 2 hours. We have about 10 inches so far, and it's supposed to be between 10 and 16. There is gonna be a person coming by to shovel the driveway. We do have a guy coming, but he probably not gonna be here till like another 2 hours. So look at this, man. This is crazy. Welcome back to New York. Man, hold on a second. Yeah, look at that. This, like, you can't even see more than a quarter of a mile down the street. And across the street from me is woods. I'm surprised no deers are coming over here looking for heat. Anyway, this is crazy. I'm taking my butt back inside, turn Netflix back on, make another cup of coffee. And I'm done. Eat some hot wings. Done. Look at this. This is crazy. I already cleaned the car. Look, somebody driving by.